That's a bad idea, you know.
What? Wesley Hutchins eating, what is it?
Ground cinnamon.
Ground cinnamon. Wesley Hutchins, go.
It's all about your mouth.
How you feeling, Wes? How do you feel right now? Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Oh, you're on my camera.
Swallow it. No, it's gonna be swallow it.
We're beating him. We've beaten Wesley. I'm beating him.
It's like stained.
I'm beating. I've beaten you, Wes. Don't give him a drink. You're not allowed to drink. Wes, wait for me. Wes, open your mouth. Go on. I feel sick.
Oh. He's stained his bum.
He's puking up. He's puked up. He's chunded.
Will do.
Peek up, Wes. Chunder. Go on, Wes. Let it out. Let it all out.
What the hell? That's the super sword. Oh, right.
He's such an idiot. Oh, it smells of cinnamon now. Where's he? Okay.
You got something in your mouth, mate. Oh, yeah, that's right. Oh, fucking hell.
Let's have a look at the results of Wes's chundering. Wes,
it's all around. You got it all down your cheek.
Wes,
Wes, your jumper's stained and so's your trousers.
Wes,
stained.
Wes,
No, come on.
do you want a second serving?
No, mate. You sure? You're up next. What was that?
I'm not doing it.